Welcome everyone. Today's video is all about Lidl and what plant stock they've got this week. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as you guys know, I'm going to go through every plant, every price, give you the information behind it if I can. So we're starting off with these peonies. Now they're actually full of bud, and for $9.99 I feel that they're quite a decent price for the size. And like I say, some varieties here do have the buds. If you look out for that, then you're guaranteed a flower this year. Quite young peonies don't always flower when they're very early on. So $4.99 for the 6-pack bedding plants. So they are gearing up now for the summer. So these varieties are called fuchsias, and they will flower all summer long. It's worth mentioning that they do need protecting from frost. We're still having some cold nights, so you can chuck some fleece over them, keep them on the windowsill, bring them close to the house, just give them a little bit of protection from the cold. They actually do prefer a shady spot as opposed to these here. These are geraniums. I love the fact that they've got the labels which say upright or trailing. These are the upright varieties. They're also in the pelargonium family. Again, need protecting from frost. Now it's worth mentioning that you can actually eat the flowers of the geraniums, and they do love a sunny spot and they don't mind it on the drier side. So there's a couple of different colors just here. I feel for $4.99 they're not too bad of a price. The root systems seem to be quite big on them in those size pots. And then here we've got the trailing ones. So these are also known as the ivy geranium, and you can tell the difference on the leaves, and they do have a slightly different flower. Again, they're edible. They just don't taste that great, I'm not going to lie to you. And again, they need protecting from frost. So moving on to these hosta plants. Now I actually don't feel these are good value, even though they're probably the cheapest ones I've seen for $3.99 when you can compare them to B&M, and they're just £5 for a much bigger plant. Yes, these have a flower bud on, but I'd take a stockier plant any day, so maybe give these a miss if they look like they do here. So moving on then, we've got some busy lizzies. These are actually one of my favourite summer bedding plants, and these you can put these in hanging baskets or in beds, and they do like go absolutely mad. You can get them up to sort of 2 feet in the garden borders. Again, they need protecting from frost, and they come in several different colours. So hydrangeas, $7.99. We've had a really windy day here in Staffordshire, so every single one was blown over. Now they've got these beautiful blue ones. It's worth mentioning it needs an ericaceous compost for a blue. White, it needs multi-purpose to keep the colour, and pink also a multi-purpose compost, and they love part sun, part shade. So we've got some peat-free soil then, or compost, $1.99 for 20 litres. It's a good price, but you don't get much for your money. I can't vouch for what it's like. I've never used a Lidl brand compost, but it's something I'll probably do moving forward. And then we've got some tomato grow bags. The idea being is you sort of beat the bag up a little bit, put 3 holes in, and plant your tomatoes. Moving inside them, we've got the ZZ plants, or the ZZ plants, also labelled as the sorted. $6.99 plants. They're a fairly decent price. These are strictly a house plant. This time of year they can go outside in the summer when we have some nice nighttime temperatures. Same for these bromeliads. So I absolutely love these. Now these do fit the bill in a tropical style garden. They can go out all summer. They just need bringing in winter. Then we've got this different variety here. This is quite special. Again, it's a bromeliad, but it's just a different variety. Absolutely beautiful. Now these flower from the bottom to the tops, if that makes sense, and they're normally a very hot colour, so a really nice addition to either the windowsill or the garden in the summer. Got some 3-stem phalaenopsis for $6.99. It's a fairly decent price, but there's not a great selection in store today. And then we've still got some spring flowering bulbs for £1.79. So we're looking at lilies, narcissus, so tete-a-tetes and things like that. They all feel pretty firm, so if you are looking to add to your collection this time of year, it's just worth giving the bulbs a bit of a squeeze just to make sure that they've not gone mushy. Otherwise they're going to be no good when you plant them out. And they've got a fairly decent selection in of those ZZ plants as well. So moving on then, we've got some large house plants. Now these are a couple of fig varieties. ficus varieties, I apologise. These are strictly indoor plants, and for $16.99 you get a fair bit of plant for your money. So moving on to the water soluble Tomerite and the Miracle Grow. So it's worth mentioning, you just put like 2 litres of water and 1 capful, and Tomerite can feed all of your garden. Doesn't just have to be tomatoes, right? It's a good multi-purpose feed. There we have it, a really quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please consider subscribing, because we've got lots more material here on the channel, because I put a video out every single day. So until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.